Hello and good day. First of all, we would like to extend a warm welcome to our respected lecturer, Dr. Moti Ang Muhammad, and fellow classmates who are watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to view our presentation. My name is Daniel Hani, and I will be the main presenter for this video. I am joined by my team members, Muhammad Zulfika, Nurul Arisha Alia, Aisha Azahra, Ayu Afzani, and Nur Irfah. Each of us will be presenting different sections of this topic. In this presentation, we will be discussing how organization sustainability strategy during pandemic. We hope this video provides clear insight and adds value to your understanding of the topic. Without further delay, let us begin the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you to our Dr. Moti. So now we'll talk about our chosen company for this assignment, which is Cimb Bank. So now we'll talk about a company background of Cimb. Cimb Group Hasdin Berhad is one of the Southeast Asia major banking groups operating in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. The company was chosen for this case study because it shows a strong example of organizational changes after the COVID-19 pandemic. As we know, the pandemic changed customer behavior and increased the need for fast, reliable digital banking. In response, Cimb accelerated its digital transformation with one of the biggest steps being the launch of the Cimb Auto app. The app was released early to more than 8 million customers, so the bank could collect feedback from the customer and improve it before a full rollout. This reflects Cimb moves toward agility, customer-focused design, and also continuous improvement. So the Auto app offers better navigation, a cleaner interface, improved security, strong search function, and personalized banking features. It was developed to meet the rising demand for seamless mobile banking as more customers shift away from physical branches after the pandemic. Overall, Cimb digital initiative, including the Auto app and its phased rollout approach, it shows the bank's commitment to modernizing its system, improving efficiency, and strengthening customer engagement, which are the key elements of organizational development and change management. Next, we'll talk about the mission, vision, and objective of Cimb Bank. So for the mission, Cimb mission is to help customers achieve their financial goals and to support the community by providing banking services. They are easy to use, safe, and helpful. Yeah, because they're easy to serve people and make banking more convenient, whether it's saving money, making payment, borrowing fund, or running a business. Cimb also wants to create long-term positive impact by being responsible, fair, and caring toward customers, employees, and society. By launching the Cimb Auto app, Cimb is following its mission to make banking simpler, more accessible, and more personalized for everyone, showing that they are committed to improving customers' daily financial lives. So next, about the vision. Cimb vision is to become one of the most trusted and leading bank in the Asian region by offering modern, safe, and easy digital banking services. They want customers to see Cimb as a bank that is always improving, always innovating, and always ready to meet their future needs. Cimb hopes to stand out in Asia by giving customers a smooth and enjoyable banking experience, whether at the branch or through digital platform. Like we talked about the Cimb Auto app. The vision also shows Cimb aims to be a forward-thinking bank that uses technology to make life easier for people and businesses across Southeast Asia. Now we will go to the objective. There's 5. The first one is to strengthen digital banking services. They want to create better app and online services like the new Cimb Auto app, so customer can do banking quickly and easily on their phone. Second one, to put customer at the center of everything. Cimb aims to give customer a smoother and more personalized experience. The Auto app has simple navigation, easy to use, easy search tool, and better features to make banking more friendly. The third one, to grow and maintain strong across Asia. Cimb wants to strengthen its banking services in Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and other Asian countries. Fourth, to promote responsible and sustainable growth. Cimb aims to grow in a way that is good for people, the community, and also the environment. The last one, improve operational performance and efficiency. Cimb wants to operate more efficient use better technology, and stay competitive after the pandemic, because the pandemic made a huge change and 360 changes.
After the COVID-19 pandemic, Cimb Bank faced several major organizational changes and environmental challenges. These issues were mainly caused by changes in customer behavior, technological advancement, economic uncertainty, and increasing competition in the banking industry. The pandemic accelerated the need for transformation, forcing Cimb to adapt quickly to remain competitive and sustainable. On the next slide, I will share the major issues or changes faced by Cimb Bank in the post-pandemic era. What happened to Cimb? One key issue faced by Cimb Bank was the sudden shift to digital banking. During the pandemic, customers reduced visits to physical branches and increasingly rely on online and mobile banking services. This caused significant disruptions to Cimb's traditional banking operations. So, why is it a problem? This shift created several challenges for the bank. Cimb had to rapidly expand its digital infrastructure, which required substantial financial investment, time, and new technologies. In addition, employees needed to develop new digital skills, particularly in areas such as cybersecurity and remote working systems. Some bank branches also faced operational strain due to reduced manpower and limited operating hours. As a result, Cimb experienced higher operational costs, temporary service disruptions during the transition, and increased pressure to maintain service quality while moving towards remote and hybrid operations.
Now, I will move on to the second issue faced by Cimb after the COVID-19 pandemic, which focuses on businesses customers, especially small and medium enterprises or SMEs. During and after the COVID-19 pandemic, many individual borrowers, SMEs, and businesses experienced a significant loss of income. Due to lockdowns, reduced customer demand, and disruptions in operations, many SMEs struggle to sustain their businesses. As a result, Cimb recorded a higher level of non-performing loans, also known as NPLs. This means that more customers were unable to repay their loans on time. These situations became a serious problem for Cimb for several reasons. First, loan repayments are one of the main sources of revenue for banks. When customers fail to repay their loans, the bank's income is directly affected. Second, higher default risk weakens financial stability. Cimb had to face greater uncertainty and financial risk due to the increasing number of bad loans. Lastly, Cimb also faced regulatory pressure, as banks are required to maintain healthy financial ratios and manage credit risk carefully. The impact on Cimb was quite significant. Cimb experienced lower earnings from loans because many SMEs were unable to make regular repayments. At the same time, the bank had to set aside higher impairment provisions, which means money reserved to cover potential losses from bad loans. In addition, Cimb needed to support vulnerable sectors such as tourism businesses, SMEs, and the B40 group, while still protecting its own financial performance. SMEs were among the most affected groups during the pandemic. Many faced cash flow problems, reduced demand, and difficulties in managing daily operations. Traditional banking solutions were no longer sufficient. SMEs needed faster loan approval, digital cash management tools, and easier access to cross-border payments. This forced Cimb to redesign its business's banking services, improve digital capabilities, and strengthen relationships with business customers. From an organizational development perspective, this issue required Cimb to change its service delivery model, adapt to new customers' needs, and ensure better coordination between technology, risk management, and customer support.
Next, the third issue faced by Cimb Bank is the increase in cybersecurity threats and fraud risks. As online banking usage grew rapidly after the pandemic, cybercriminal activities also increased. This included phishing attacks, scam calls, and unauthorized transactions, which directly targeted banking customers. This became a serious problem for Cimb because the bank had to invest heavily in fraud detection systems, stronger customer authentication, and continuous security upgrades. At the same time, many customers blamed the bank when fraud incidents occur, which increased trust and reputation risks. As a result, Cimb made significant investments in security measures such as Security AC, advanced fraud monitoring systems, and scam awareness campaign. The bank also faced greater regulatory scrutiny from Bank Negara Malaysia to ensure compliance with cybersecurity and risk management standards.
Next, I will discuss Cimb digital transformation during the COVID-19 pandemic, specifically the launch of its next generation mobile banking application known as Cimb Auto. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Cimb accelerated its digital transformation by launching the next generation mobile banking application. Cimb Octo, in response to the rapid growth in digital banking usage and rising customer expectation. This initiative was necessary because the existing platform, Cimb Clicks, was under significant pressure and could no longer fully support the increasing demand for speed, system stability, and a seamless user experience. To address this challenge, Cimb developed Octo using a new technology and stack and modern operational infrastructure, supported by an agile and paced rollout approach to ensure stability, security, and continuous improvement. As a result, Cimb successfully entered the next phase of a digital LED strategy, gaining greater flexibility and agility to scale platform capacity and deploy enhancement in line with traffic growth. For example, the Octo app introduced data-driven personalization features such as identifying potentially tax-deductible transactions and offering personalized investment recommendations, which enhancement customer engagement and improve overall financial management. Moving on, the second point about how Cimb overcome the problem. Cimb focused on strengthening financial relief measure while simultaneously building a comprehensive digital business ecosystem to support SMEs during the pandemic. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Cimb strengthened its financial relief effort and digital business ecosystem through initiatives such as Cimb Octo Biz and digital lending solution to support SME facing severe financial distress. This initiative was necessary as many SMEs experienced cash flow shortages and rising non-performing loans, which threatened business continuity and increased both credit and reputational risks for the bank. To address this, Cimb provided payment assistance programs and loan moratoriums to affected borrowers, while simultaneously enhancing its digital capabilities by launching Cimb Octo Biz and accelerating internal process through platforms such as ACE. As a result, this relief measure supported thousands of individual and SME borrowers across ASEAN, which is reducing loan approval timelines to under 7 days, and Octo Biz enabling real-time financial sign and smoother cross-border business operation. For example, Cimb Octo Biz introduced SME Flexi Cash, a revenue-based lending solution that uses AI and data analysis to analyze transaction patterns and instantly offer pre-approved financing, significantly streamlining the traditional loan application process. Lastly, Cimb focused on strengthening security control through mandatory strong customer authentication (SCA), an advanced fraud management system to address the growing threat of cyber-enabled fraud. This initiative was necessary as the rapid shift to digital banking led to more sophisticated cybercrime, including phishing and scam calls, which increased online fraud risk, weakened customer trust, and attracted stricter regulatory oversight from Bank Negara Malaysia. To mitigate this risk, Cimb replaced SMS tag with the more secure tag feature within the Cimb Click application for all transactions and enhanced its fraud management system by integrating machine learning to better detect suspicious activities and predict emerging scam patterns. As a result, this measures strengthen overall banking security, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access through a multi-layer security framework, particularly via device verification. For example, Cimb implemented a mandatory call verification process for customer logging into the Cimb Clicks or Cimb Octo application on a new device, requiring activation through the bank contact center before the account could be used on that device. thereby enhancing protection of customer assets and safeguarding the bank reputation.
Next, we move to the effectiveness of the action based on the issue in CIMB. During the COVID-19 pandemic, CIMB Bank faced several challenges including increased digital banking, financial difficulty among the SMEs and rising credit risk. To address these issues, CIMB implemented several effective actions. So, the first one is CIMB Bank improved its digital banking service by launching CIMB OCTO. This is a new platform help them manage the rapid increase in the online transaction by the improving system stability, security and transaction speed. As a result, customers will be able to carry out banking activities smoothly, displaying higher digital usage. And the second one is CIMB Bank introduced the financial relief, measure to support SMEs and individual customers who were affected by the cash flow problem. This measure included loan maturity and flexible prepayment option. Through the digital platform such as CIMB OCTO business could be access financial assistance easily, which helped them to continue operation and focus on recovery. And lastly is CIMB Bank strength is a credit risk management by the using digital lending solution and data analysis. This allows the bank to assess borrower more accurately and reduce the risk of the non-performance loan. At the same time, suitable financing was provided to support business in the needs. And in the conclusion, CIMB Bank action during the pandemic will be effective in addressing digital challenge, supporting SMEs and maintaining financial stability.
Okay, now I'm going to share 3 important strategies that can help CIMB move forward confidently in the digital era. First, enhance employee digital competency. Technology is changing fast and bank must keep up. To stay competitive, CIMB should invest in continuous digital training program for its employees. By doing this, staff will be more confident, more efficient, and better prepared to adapt to new digital tools and systems. Okay, number 2 is strategy digital support for SMEs, which is small and medium enterprise, are the backbone of our economy. CIMB can support their growth by expanding digital financing solution and business support service. This will help SMEs recover faster, become more resilient, and build long-term sustainable business. So, number 3, further enhance cybersecurity and customer awareness. As more customers use digital banking, security becomes even more important. CIMB should continuously upgrade its cybersecurity system and actively educate customers about digital safety. This action will reduce fraud rates and strengthen customer trust in CIMB digital platform. So, in conclusion, by empowering employees, supporting SME, and protecting customers, CIMB can stretch its position as a trust and future-ready digital bank.
So in conclusion, CIMB Bank was able to manage organizational change effectively during the COVID-19 pandemic by responding strategically to both internal and external pressures. The rapid increase in digital banking usage, financial challenges faced by SMEs, and the rise in cybersecurity threats exposed weaknesses in existing systems and processes. These challenges require immediate organizational adaptation and strong change management. Through the introduction of digital innovations such as the CIMB Octo platform, the implementation of financial relief initiative for the affected businesses, and the strengthening of fraud prevention and cybersecurity measures, CIMB demonstrated a proactive and structured approach to organizational development. This initiative not only helped stabilize operations during the crisis, but also enhanced CIMB's long-term digital capabilities, risk management, and customer confidence. Overall, the CIMB case highlights the importance of effective organizational development interventions in building resilience, ensuring sustainability, and supporting continuous improvement during periods of uncertainty.